Greetings people, this is Dr. Beena Wagle, and this is a quick video for those people who said that ma'am, we don't have time to watch the full thing, and this is again a requested video. So how to boost your immunity and fight the coronavirus. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you 10 quick tips, and this is how it is. It begins with first what you put inside your body. Okay, so what you put inside your body is food. Now eat food which is rich in vitamin C. Now what is this? These are all your citrus fruits. Okay, so have a lot of citrus fruits. Have lemon, have mosambi, have oranges. Yeah, so have a lot of vitamin C rich foods. Also have vitamin rich food. What is vitamin rich food? There are a lot of vitamins: A, B, C, D, E, K, B complex, and if you cannot supplement it through your foods, if you're a vegetarian, you have any doubt, then you can always take supplements. Okay, now this is quick, so I'm not getting into too many examples or intricacies. Very important, exercise for half an hour daily. It may be anything. It may be your exercise cycle, it may be a treadmill, it could be just walking from one room to the other on a timer, it could be jogging on the spot, it could be yoga, um, it could be pilates, it could be zumba, it could be anything, but half an hour of exercise compulsory. Okay, so the next point is stay active. Even after exercising, you have to stay active. Since most of us are working from home and we are sitting for long times, there are a lot of postural problems coming up, and you have to step out and get them treated then. So to avoid all that, stay active. Every half an hour, get up, take a small walk, do something, do some activities in the house, so that your body is active and not stiff. Okay, also it's very important that you hydrate, drink lots of water, drink lots of warm fluids. It's very good that your body, which is 70% fluid, is getting a lot of fluid, so the immunity gets better. Also your mental balance, that's very important, as these were all physical. Now come to the mental, because both the things, when they are in balance, your immunity is super. So for the mental balance, try not to get upset, try not to get angry, try not to have arguments, try not to have negativity around you. Step out only if it is essential. Unless and until you really need to step out, please don't do it. Okay, because then you are exposing yourself to risk. Also wear a mask whenever you step out of your house, or if somebody is coming to meet you from out also and you need to step out, please wear a mask, and wear the mask correctly. That's very important. Sanitize, but nothing like soap and water. So if you have soap and water at hand, please use soap and water. You wash your hands properly rather than using a sanitizer, which will damage the skin of your hands. Okay, also don't live in fear. The virus is here, it's here to stay. If you're scared, you're more, your body, your immunity is getting compromised, and you're more prone to getting the virus affect you. Okay, so when I said mental balance, I also recommend that you do things which give you mental sanity, like painting, art, if you like music, or if you like cooking. So do something that keeps you happy, right? So these are the 10 tips which in short will help you in maintaining your immunity and fighting off the virus. Okay, so have a great day, and do let me know in the comments how you like this quick video. And this is thanks to all those people who suggested that ma'am, do a small video so that we can watch and we can live, read and use it very easily in our day-to-day life. So much love to you. Bye bye. This is Dr. Beena Wagle signing off.